Hey guys, I'm back with more exciting MCPE gaming. So yeah, I'm back and now I'm doing some things that is worth doing for. Okay, so yeah, um, the MCPE 0.12.0 is now released, and now I am showing again my server. That is So I'm sorry for the so this the inactiveness of my recordings and videos of YouTube. So yeah, I'm truly sorry for that. If you want to see why, just go to the link below the video or the description below. As you can see the links, and yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do today. So let's search for some things. Let's go back to the first person view and then let's do it. So if you want to join this server, the IP import is right below this video. Or you can see at the description below. I got this effect. Okay. So as you can see, we have a lot of warps, and yeah, a lot of warps. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I have no idea why. I just wanna come to record stuff because I've been active. Yeah, inactive. I have no idea what we're gonna do today. So I think it's better to end this, I think. Or not. As you can see here, we have some the spawn and it's super amazing with of EEPE. The best. We underline. So as you can see, who made it is as you can see here, we have some stuff. Okay. So this is our spawn. The spawn was made by Mia.xd, RK2604, and FlameBreak00. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so the server closed and it's welcome back YouTube for me, and I've been inactive like 2 to 3 weeks or so. So yeah, welcome back to me and for my YouTube team. So I'm gonna be more active sooner or now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I'll be more active. And yeah, welcome back YouTube. And yeah, thank you.